Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I came with a haul, a small haul for Tuesday morning. But before I show you that, I meant to show you this in my Dollar Tree haul. This is an elastic band. It says Dreams for Days, and I showed this on my Instagram. And these are the little page flags, the magnetic ones. It says Girl Boss. And if you go back to my Instagram page, you'll see that they have DaretoBeCreative 1. I had showed all the different whole planner set that they had, including the ruler and the folders and the dividers and page inserts and the sticky notepads. Everything that you needed to make a whole binder was at the Dollar Tree, including the binder. But I didn't need all those. I just wanted that. All right, so the rest of this is from Tuesday morning. And this is the Punch Boss, which they've had this out before. It's $4.99, and this has the stamp set and the punch, and you can do different things with it. The number for this punch set is 1986515, and of course this one's called Hello. You can always call the 1-800 product number, enter that code and your zip code, and it can tell you if it's in your store. Sometimes the punches and stuff have the same codes on them, so it doesn't help, but these have different ones, and usually they vary by the last two digits. This one is 1986524. So the first digits are the same. So this is 24, and that was 15. So on there $4.99. This one's called Baby Feet. I did get one stampendous stamp, and it is on the map, and that was $2.99, and it's 1990315. It's a nice clean size stamp. Got another set of the Alpha chips from Me and My Big Idea, $149, but this is the glittered gold, and it's 1949802. I don't think I have this. If I do, it will go back. It's $3.99, and it is called Tide. And I just like, because you don't have to use these just for water scenes, you can use them for other things, or not just Tide, but it could be a storm. That could just be a background wall print, like a wallpaper, just different things. So anyway, this is 1976669. I did pick this up. This is a reusable marker where you can fill it with inks and different things like that, and you can use it. So this will give you a little bit more control with your inks, versus it has a little ball bearings in it versus just spraying it out. So I thought I would try that. So it seemed like that might be a neat idea. It's only $1.99, and it is 1986532. And again, this is by Artsy, and it says refill and reuse with any Artsy inks. But of course, I'm using whatever inks I want in it. Did pick this stencil up for $2.99. Rebecca Meyer, and this is Rebecca Meyer, and it is 1994791, $2.99. Of course, it's a TCW, the Crafters Workshop. I did get this one Inkadinkado stamp, and this goes with the square one. It's called Doodle Swirls, and it's 1942980, and that's how that looks. And they give you an example how that looks, and you can see it. That's some of the designs that you can do with that. It's $1.49, and this was on clearance, and this is by Crate Paper, and this is old. Actually, it's been out for a while, but I just decided to get it, I guess, because it's on clearance, and it's 1838949 with the little shakers. And this one was a good value for $2.99. I mean, you get all of these stamps, 22 pieces, and the stencil. But like I said, it's live simply and dream. And if you can see that, sorry about that glare. Yep. And the sticker's over top of it, but it's called Flower Bug, and it is 1986519. So that's a 22-piece set. So it's about 11 stamps and 11 stencils. And I got, this was on clearance. I think I have this, and if so, I can take it back. But it was way on clearance. It's only a couple dollars. And it was 1820509. And this is the Crush & Shield, and it's called Regal Crest Tim Holtz Alteration. And this one was real cheap. This was like $2 and some change. But I thought this would be neat to make. You can use this to make lollipops because of the swirls, you know. Not just a swirl, but even making lollipops. But anyway, This is 1820495, and I think it was $2 and some change. So anyway, I think that is it for my Tuesday morning haul. I feel like I'm missing another bag because I had a couple hauls and I hadn't shown them yet. But let me see. Nope, I think that's it. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing to DaretoBeCreative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm going to add this one back onto it first because I knew I had another bag. So I just threw my stuff over down the floor, and I kept saying there's something missing. So this was another stamp that I got by Stampendous. This is $2.49, is 1990319. So I'm gonna put this video at the front of the other video. Both sun and rain help flowers bloom. I think that's a really good, important thing to teach your kids lessons about life, or even your friends that, you know, good and bad comes to everybody. Rains on the just and the unjust. This is another one, $2.99, 1990309. I just think that's a nice, like, mixed media look type flower. I got this BoBunny stamp, and it's like the hot air balloons, and it's called Dreamer, 1976939. I like that bite too. I wonder what that says in here. I am something. I must say I'm a dreamer, but I don't know. Oh, no, it says Imagine. I just saw I-M-A. It says Imagine. This one is just the recipe card, but I thought it was neat to come in handy just in case you want to make something. A recipe book, because I made one of those before, and everybody loved it. I need to make another one. This is 1976936. These were on clearance. The bows, I just thought they add a nice little effect. The gold and silver ones, and it was $3.99. It said $1.99, but I paid, I think, 20 or 40% off, and it is 1840819. I got these by my eye because they're masculine. Didn't have to find a paper pad though or the chipboard, and I didn't go out looking today. But this was $1.99, and it's Mr. Decorative, and it is 1995846. So hopefully I'll find a paper pad. I also got the My Mind's Eye Gold Forward envelope liners for $1.49, 1995837. And this is for the A2 5.5 by 4.25. And this one is for the A7, so it's 7.25 by 5 1/4 liners, and they're $1.49 as well. And it is 1995838. Let's see if they got different numbers. Yep, so the smaller one is 37 and the larger is 38. So the larger one, of course, is more squared. And you could be, and it's such a waste if you had to buy this much gold paper for 10 sheets. I mean, 20 liners. So it's actually cheaper to buy this than buying a whole bunch of gold and cutting it up to do this, because one gold sheet of paper costs more than $1.49. So that's why I got those. And then I got this one die set. 10 piece is 3 dies and 7 stamps, and it's called Love Hello 2002755. You don't get too many numbers that start with a 2 on Tuesday morning. But anyway, so I got that set, and I will add this on to the next video. All right, thanks.